Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can adjust the camera exposure on this DJI Flip FLY MORE. So to start, you will obviously need to launch the camera view on your remote controller. Now look at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you'll find a bunch of specs or parameters. If your camera is in the automatic mode, as it is in my case, simply tap at the EV or exposure value here and select the value that you would like to set. Now if you use your camera in the Pro mode, you'll need to tap somewhere here on this right section, since as you can see the preferences or the properties are divided right in the middle. So tap somewhere here, scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you will be able to make finer adjustments with the EV or exposure value. You can also reset it to the default state. You can also accidentally tap here, but do not be afraid or do not panic. Simply switch to this section at the very bottom to access it. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.